I totally interrupted you. I was watching. I'm like, her lips are going to stop moving and then I can talk.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. I'm sorry. See what happens. That's what we always do.
Yeah.
We get right into it.
We never plan things.
We just see what
Who
happens.
needs a plan?
I'm having flashbacks to
It's hot in here.
to the episode earlier.
Oh, yeah.
And it is hot in here.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we have another one of our zero landfill crafts.
Yay, we love these.
Yes.
We have a whole collection now.
Yeah, we do. If you want to check out the other crafts that we've done, I'll put a link below.
Yeah, we've got, oh, sorry. Yeah, shh. We've got several videos that you can watch. You can get the whole download, get the DL on what Zero Landfill is all about. Now you can talk again.
Now I don't have anything to say. If you want to check out those videos, I'll put a link to a playlist in the description box below.
Yeah, we have gone into a little bit of detail talking about this event, why we love it, and it's directly related, like we said, to our craft today.
Yes.
We're excited.
Now today we are going to work with some tiles.
Yes.
They have pallets and pallets worth of tiles there.
Ton of tiles.
And so
And so we always think there has to be something more than a coaster.
exactly, these subway tiles, so cool that we found.
Yep. So it's cool.
Yeah.
So
cool.
So cool. Yeah.
So we found these subway tiles in the pile and we thought we've got to figure out something to do with these.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna make
things.
What are we gonna make, Sarah?
Surprise.
A surprise?
Actually, we're going to make
I do like surprises.
Jewelry holders. Necklace.
Spoiler. Bleh.
Are we spoilering?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna make a little holder for necklaces, bracelets, jewelry holder.
Yeah. So let's get right into this and see what happens.
Let's go.
Take two.
Take two.
This is not that difficult.
You need a snack.
All right, first things first. Shall we clean the tile off?
We shall.
And we have to remove all these little stickers, and I guess we don't have to, but
Well, this one kind of goes over the edge a little bit, so you have to throw them back. There you go. Okay,
don't mess up your fingernail.
you're right. I have to pick. You're right.
And then they're a little dirty.
Yeah. Really just in this part because the rest of it, we're going to be touching it.
Right, we can clean it off again when we're done. So we picked some cute little sayings. We let
Yes.
our girls decide what they wanted it to say, but we had a lot of ideas. So I think right now, I'm gonna let all of our other ideas scroll on the screen. So punny.
Okay.
So there you go.
Those are great. Mine's got some ... going on.
Right, and those ... dots are tiny.
So I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is take my ... off.
yeah, I think that's a good idea.
So I'm gonna go ahead and I might be doing this.
Here, watch. I have an idea. You take this
I'll just let you do that for me.
and use that to pick the edge. This works. It's gonna work.
There you go.
Ta-da!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, ... Oh, I can even go this way.
No. You have 4 dots. I just
I
realized.
do have 4 dots. Is that grammatically inaccurate?
It might be.
I can just put 3 dots.
You can put 3 dots.
2, 3.
Nice.
I'm going
Save those
to
for later.
set these aside.
These little delicate fonts are not the easiest, but it's doable, and I think that they work for this project.
All right, we ready for transfer?
Yes.
All right, so our transfer tape will go on top of this. And if we have, oh, mine did perfectly.
I did not. I'm on a stand.
Just hoisting. Okay.
That was a lot easier than trying to deal with those dots.
Just deal with them separately. Done. Oh, look, y'all.
Man, that looks awesome. I love it.
Okay, so now we are going to move on to hooks. These are super cute hooks. We're using 5. We felt like that was what felt good for this size tile. So since we have an odd number, we can find the center for the first one.
Yeah.
And like we like to do, this is going to be E6000 with instant gratification.
Yes. There's the doorbell.
There's the doorbell.
All right, let's flip it.
Flip it over. Make sure you flip it horizontally.
Oh. It's gonna be
and
hard.
Maybe we just mark them. Maybe we use this just to.
Okay, so we can
lift and glue.
We could mark like that and then turn it over. All right, so I'm gonna put one.
We are going to have to. Wait.
Nope. Wait, I know.
Okay.
Several?
We have lots of rulers. They were on sale. They were on sale. It was a really good sale. It was this kind of sale. Not kidding. They're just so cute because they're wood.
Yeah, we needed these. There's a craft coming out.
Teaser.
Yeah.
Just wait.
Rulers.
Just wait.
But for now,
everybody's going to be happy that Sarah bought all the rulers on sale.
What would we have done without these rulers?
For now.
Amy the builder.
There you go.
I build things.
I buy things.
You buy, I build.
I buy things to make it easier. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful. This one's definitely different. This one has
lots of character.
Lots of whimsy. Look how short it is.
Oh, yeah. Very cute. Whimsy.
It is whimsy, but I like it.
It's a little crooked.
You will never know.
It's okay. Yeah.
You will never know. But that's how, look at that one. It's
Yeah.
like, hey, I think I'm gonna be a hook.
Yeah. Maybe I'm a hook.
Maybe.
I'm a crooked hook.
Show your work. These are awesome.
They're so awesome and cute, and I love them so much.
Okay. We
Sorry.
need some synonyms.
Okay.
They are awesome and cute. Okay, so these are
They're-
whimsical,
Gorgeous.
gorgeous, but first, they're useful.
No, but first, they're cute.
First, they're cute. Of course, they're cute.
Let's go hang them up and see what they look like.
Sounds good.
Alrighty. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed crafting with us today. If you feel inspired to create something like this, how about let us know down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more. We'll see you next week.